What's up, everybody? Chris from Out West with Chris. I am back out on Melones. Matt's over there. Our buddy Bet is here today.
What's up?
Haven't fished with Bet in a long time. So stoked to be out here with Bet. We're gonna do a little race in our new pedal drives, and we'll tell you the results.
You're about to witness the stupidest thing that we've ever done. I'm here with Out West with Chris and our boy Bet. We haven't fished with Bet in a long time. Bet, what are you in?
Wilderness.
No, you're in a native.
Yeah, I'm a native.
Know your gear, people. What are you in?
Slayer 13.
Slayer 13.
Hobie, 2019 Hobie Outback.
And you'll notice Chris is wearing khakis. And I'm in my boat. So we're going to race. To that buoy.
To that buoy? That's close to those guys, though.
Yeah, but we're gonna go this way. We're not.
Okay, so just the plane of the buoy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on.
I'm pushing you out a little bit.
Back up.
All right. Oh, he wants a head start.
It's all right. Let him have it.
I
Yeah.
don't want to, hold on. I don't want
Look
to
at this guy. Wants a head start. On your marks, get sets, go. It's not bumper cars, Bet.
Barely.
Thank you.
That was a close one.
Well, that was fun, guys. Let's do it again. My first cast is away, and it's gonna work a drop shot for a little bit. Got the first fish of the day. He's a baby. Right there. Little guy, first fish of the day. We'll take him. These guys aren't fishing deep enough. I didn't mark that fish. I'm not really seeing a whole lot of anything right now. But I'm thinking they're probably moving up a little bit from where they were the last time we were here. That was 70 feet, 60 feet. And I'm thinking they're probably gonna be in the 50 to 40 foot range. There might be some fish up high on the bank, but we'll see where we can catch them today. See if we can start marking some, all of that good stuff. Oh, it's good to be out. Long week of work. Good to be back on the water. Nice healthy fish. Not bad. Little guy, but bigger than my last, so we're upgrading a little bit. See you later, dude. Caught him pretty shallow. Just slowly dragging. He's kind of dragging a jig in the wind right now. Wanted to switch it up a little bit. having a hard time figuring out exactly what they want. I could probably go back to a drop shot and catch a few, but I'd like to catch them on something other than the drop shot today. There we go. This could be a decent fish. Ooh, head shakes. Yeah, that's not bad. Let's get the net out. Ooh, come on. Got one. It's a nice little spot right there. Let's take a look. Come here, buddy. Yeah, that's not bad. Hammered a jig. Sweet. It's not bad. I'm liking that, actually. Let's take a picture of this guy. All right. Fat. He's off. Huh. Sweet. All right, let's see if we can catch another one. What the heck? He's jacked up. Look at this guy. Little catfish. Just chilling. He's all jacked up. Looks like he's sick. Something's wrong with his tail. Huh. Kinda wanna throw the crankbait. So that's what I'm gonna do. Go deeper.
Drop shot?
Yeah.
I just want one fish.
Here, come here.
Just hold it.
Yeah. Not bad. Not great, but he's got a little belly. Woo! Let's go deeper. Wind is picking up a little bit. This is the main lake, so it's going to be windier than you know, some of the coves and other sections of the lake, creek arms and stuff. A little bit gnarly, not too bad though. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you want to go far down there. You got to come back in it. What I'm thinking is there's a little cove over there, or we could go over to the point. It looks like somebody's fishing the point from the bank or something. I don't know.
Yeah, make our way back.
Well, I'm not going to call it a day just yet, but...
Uh-oh.
Did he catch one?
It's a good fish, I think, too.
There we go.
Matt's on his first fish of the day.
Get him.
Is it a good one?
Yeah!
That's a good one.
That's my best fish this lake.
That's a good one.
Chris, he's up shallow.
What'd you catch him on? Huh. Cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Finally.
All right. Congratulations.
I was like, wait a second, that's not a rock.
Good job, man.
We're proud of you. What?
What are you catching them on?
I'm gonna try to catch it on a jig. Maybe. What are you doing?
Make a golf commentary on your fishing.
Oh. Uh-huh. Oh gosh, come on. Come on, come on.
Oh my God.
I didn't get the fight on camera, but this is the guy. He's little.
You can take her outdoors!
Caught that one on the jig though. That was nice. This is the jig I'm using. It's a Dirty Jigs jig, football head. I got a craw. It's a Rage Craw or something like that as a trailer. And it worked. I just broke off my jig, so went ahead and put on one of these ultra finesse jig heads or ball jig heads, and then a little craw. It's from Z-Man. I think it's called a Z Craw. So we're gonna see if they'll eat something small like this. They were eating that big old jig. So we can see if they're eating anything small. There's a big bass tournament out here today. I think most of those boats are headed towards weigh-in, and most of them are off the lake, which a little less traffic. I'm not going to complain about that, but pretty much everything's been hammered today. Oh, well guys, that's it for us. We are both off the water. Pretty fun day out here, even though it was a little bit slow. I caught, I think, 4 or 5 fish. Matt caught a couple. Bet had to split a little bit early, but it was still pretty good. One thing that I do want to say is I was pretty impressed with the Mock Crush, this combo. You know, this combo runs about 169. That's rod and reel. Pretty darn good. It's not really made for dragging a big football head jig, but it did pretty darn good at it. I didn't catch any fish on the little finesse dealio I set up, but I was surprised at how well it casted it. So pretty pleased so far with this, you know, this combo. Pretty affordable. All right, well that's that. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it when you do. Thanks for watching. Thanks for getting out west with Chris.